Tired of burnt rice and messy stovetops? A microwave rice cooker might be your kitchen game changer. Today, I'm sharing the 5 best microwave rice cookers that actually work, backed by real user reviews and tested performance. Check the links in the description for current prices and availability on Amazon. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Prep Solutions by Progressive. And honestly, this thing is like the Swiss Army knife of microwave cookers. It's not just a rice cooker, it's a complete 17-piece kitchen system. What makes this stand out is the sheer value you're getting. You've got measuring spoons, measuring cups, a rice paddle, steaming insert, pasta measurer, and a locking lid, all in one package. The 12-cup capacity means you can make up to 8 cups of cooked rice, which is perfect for meal prep or feeding a hungry family. The locking lid is genuinely clever. It seals tight so you're not dealing with spills or steam explosions in your microwave. Plus, the pasta draining basket and vegetable steaming insert mean you can cook complete meals without turning on your stove. Rice, steamed broccoli, done. Amazon reviewers love how versatile this is. People are making everything from quinoa to oatmeal to steamed dumplings. One reviewer mentioned using it for Sunday meal prep, cooking different grains throughout the week. The BPA-free construction and dishwasher-safe design make cleanup absolutely effortless. The consideration here is size. This is a bulky set with 17 pieces, so if you've got limited cabinet space, storage might be a challenge. Some users mentioned the multiple components can feel overwhelming at first. But if you want maximum versatility and don't mind dedicating some shelf space, this delivers serious bang for your buck. Coming in at number 4 is the Tupperware microwave rice cooker. And if you grew up with Tupperware in your kitchen, you know the quality that comes with this brand. This is the large 3-liter version that holds 12 cups of cooked rice. The standout feature here is the dual lid system. Most rice cookers have one lid. Tupperware said that's not enough. The unique double cover collects steam and channels it back into the base during cooking. This means faster cooking times and your rice doesn't dry out like it can in other microwave cookers. Here's what I love, the foam collection system. Rice can get foamy and bubbly when cooking, which usually means overflow and a disgusting microwave mess. Tupperware's design collects that foam in the top cover and drains it back down. No overflow, no cleanup needed afterward. The flip-up handles are surprisingly useful too. You can collapse them for storage, then pop them up when you need to carry hot foods safely. And because it's Tupperware, you can cook your rice, store leftovers in the same container, and reheat them later. It's the whole cycle in one piece. The consideration is the price point. Tupperware isn't the cheapest option out there, and you're definitely paying for the brand name. Some users feel similar functionality exists in less expensive models. The purple color is polarizing. You either love it or wish it came in something more neutral for your kitchen aesthetic. At number 3, we've got the Zwippy rice cooker. And this is the dark horse that's been gaining serious traction lately. The 8-cup capacity hits that sweet spot for individuals, couples, or small families. The game changer here is the version 2.0 vent design. Zwippy went back and redesigned their vent system specifically to prevent water overflow. If you've ever had rice water explode all over your microwave, you know why this matters. The vent releases steam gradually and effectively, keeping everything contained. The built-in strainer is incredibly practical. Cook your pasta, flip the lid, and drain it right there. No need to grab a colander or transfer anything. Same goes for vegetables. It's one of those features you don't think you need until you have it, then you wonder how you lived without it. Amazon reviews consistently praise how easy this is to use. People are cooking rice, quinoa, oatmeal, pasta, and steamed vegetables, all in the same container. The non-stick surface means food doesn't stick, and cleanup is quick. Plus, it comes with clear instructions showing water ratios and cooking times for different foods. The consideration is durability concerns from some users. A few Amazon reviewers mentioned the plastic feeling thinner than expected, and there were occasional reports of the vent breaking after extended use. It's not a widespread issue, but it's worth noting if you're planning to use this thing daily for years. Taking the number 2 spot is the Joseph Joseph M-Cuisine, and this is where design meets functionality. Joseph Joseph is known for smart kitchen products, and they absolutely nailed it with this 2-liter rice cooker. This is genuinely an all-in-one system. The set includes a cooking pot, colander, rice paddle, and measuring cup. Everything you need to measure, wash, cook, and serve without grabbing extra tools. The rice paddle locks the lid in place and doubles as carrying handles, which is brilliant engineering. The colander fits perfectly inside the pot, so you can rinse your rice thoroughly before cooking, which actually matters for texture and fluffiness. Then you cook it in the same container. No transferring, no extra dishes. For a 2-person serving of long-grain white rice, you're looking at 10 to 12 minutes total. The stone and orange color scheme looks sharp, way better than typical kitchen plastic. It's the kind of thing you don't mind leaving on your counter. And because it's BPA-free and phthalate-free, there are no concerns about chemicals leaching into your food during microwave heating. The consideration here is capacity. At 2 liters, it's perfect for singles or couples, but might feel limiting for families or meal preppers. If you're regularly cooking for 4 or more people, you might find yourself running multiple batches. Some users also mentioned wishing the paddle was slightly longer for easier stirring. And claiming our #1 spot is the Sistema microwave rice cooker with a generous 2.6-liter capacity. This is the people's champion, consistently ranking as the top-selling microwave rice cooker on Amazon, for good reason. The pressure chamber plate is what sets Sistema apart. This plate sits above your rice and creates even heat distribution throughout the cooking process. The result? Fluffy, perfectly cooked rice in approximately 12 minutes. No burnt bottom, no mushy top, just consistent results, every single time. The smart steam release vent is engineered to prevent splatters while releasing pressure safely. Combined with the clip locking system, you're getting secure, mess-free cooking. That locking system is solid too. No accidental spills when you're carrying it from microwave to counter. Here's where Sistema really shines. Versatility. Yes, it cooks perfect rice, but people are successfully making couscous, polenta, quinoa, and even steaming vegetables using the pressure chamber tray. It comes with a non-stick rice spoon and measuring cup, and everything is dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and completely BPA free. The consideration is the slightly bulkier size compared to some competitors. The 2.6-liter capacity means it takes up more cabinet space when storing. A few users also mentioned the clip locks can be stiff when new, requiring some force to close properly. They loosen up with use, but it's something to be aware of on your first few attempts. Those are my top 5 microwave rice cookers that'll transform how you prepare meals. Remember to check those Amazon links in the description for the latest deals. Drop a comment below with your favorite. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!